wishing my dear friend Gangacharan a very happy 50th birthday and wishing him all the best for the next 50 years. Wishing him a long life full of health, wealth, prosperity, satisfaction, and all that he desires. I have known Gangacharan since we were in 12th class, intermediate, and he is the most efficient and incredible compounding machine that I have ever seen. The way he adds to his knowledge base continuously and in a very diversified reading is incredible. He is the most learned and the most knowledgeable person who continuously learns new things. That's hats off to him for that achievement, and I hope and pray that he keeps doing that. Whatever be the field, be it Hindi cinema, be it Hollywood movies, be it science, be it religion, be it literature, be it financial, investing, technology, anything and everything he would have read at least 3, 4, 5 books on those topics, and he's pretty well informed upon all the topics. So that's a big achievement, and I really appreciate him for that.
Hi Charan, good morning. Hello now. First of all, I am so happy, wishing you a very very happy and fantastic golden jubilee birthday. So few words about you. So just for me, నువ్వు ఆ లెవెల్ అంటే హైట్లో మాత్రం కాదు, అంటే నా మనసులో నా పర్సెప్షన్, ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ ఫర్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ అస్ ద పర్సెప్షన్ ఈస్ ఓకే, చరణ్ లెవెలే వేరు because of his immense knowledge in across all areas. And అంత నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండి కూడా నువ్వు చాలా సింపుల్గా డౌన్ టు ఎర్త్ ఉంటావు. అది ఎలా అని నాకు చాలా అమేజింగ్గా ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు. అండ్ నువ్వు ఏది చేసినా ప్యాషన్తో చేస్తావు, ప్యాషన్, ఎనర్జీ. లైక్ ఈవెన్ వెన్ యూ స్పీక్ దెర్ ఇస్ సో మచ్ ఎనర్జీ ఇన్ ఇట్, వి ఆల్ గెట్ రీఛార్జ్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ సో మెనీ nice meetings that we had. And at the same time, what is also amazing is you travel all the way from Bombay to Hyderabad, let's say, just to meet friends or teachers, and although picture తీసుకుంటావు, they are all such a good thing. I mean, we can't even imagine doing all that. And yeah, I'm looking forward to meet you in Mumbai so that you can take me around to those Parsi restaurants and all the nice places. So మేము ఒక ట్రిప్ ప్లాన్ చేస్తాం ముంబైకి. Okay Guru, so lots of things to say, but for now I'll just say happy birthday, wish you a very very happy and wonderful year ahead, and wish you the very best in all you do. And it's a very nice initiative, a nice thing from Haritha Garu to do this, and best wishes to your daughter also. Okay, bye.
Gangacharan, Gangadhar, Ganganna, very studious, dedicated, spirited, competitive. You are a very very unique and special person, I know. మనం చదువుకునేటప్పుడు కాలేజీలో నువ్వు ఎంత శ్రద్ధతో ఆ తపనతో అంటే స్పర్ధతో చదివేవాడివో నాకు బాగా గుర్తుంది చరణ్. నాకు తెలిసి నువ్వు ఏ పేపర్లో నేను ఏ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ పేరులాగా చూస్తానో మా క్లాస్మేట్స్లో వీళ్ళందరూ అని అనుకున్న వాళ్ళలో నువ్వు ముఖ్యం అన్నమాట. నాకు ఇంకా గుర్తుంది, అప్పుడు మనం మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్లో ఏదో నాకు మీ అందరికన్నా ఒక 2-3 మార్కులు ఎక్కువ వచ్చాయి అనుకుంటా. నువ్వు వచ్చి అసలు అంతవరకు నేను క్లాస్మేట్ అని నీకు తెలుసో లేదో, కానీ అప్పుడు నన్ను గమనించి ఎట్లా చదివావు, ఏం చేసావు, నీకు ఎట్లా వచ్చాయి అవన్నీ శ్రద్ధగా అడిగావు. అప్పుడు అనుకున్నాను నేను, ఊరికనే రాదు టాప్ అనేది, శ్రమించాలి, శ్రద్ధ పట్టాలి, గమనించాలి, అప్పుడు వస్తుందని. అంటే ఆ లీగ్ నేను లేనులే. జస్ట్ గమనించాను అంతే. బట్ హ్యాపీ 50th బర్త్‌డే చరణ్. You have a lot of love and respect for all. ఐ మీన్ టీచర్స్‌కే కాదు, క్లాస్‌మేట్స్ కూడా నువ్వెంతో రెస్పెక్ట్ ఉండేవాడివి. నీ నుంచి ఒక్క ఫౌల్ బాల్ నేనెప్పుడు వినలేదు. అంటే డే స్కాలర్స్ అంటే మాకన్నా అడ్వాన్స్డ్ అని ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ హాస్టలర్స్ కన్నా. కానీ చాలా ఒందిగ్గా వినమ్రతతో మాకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా ఉండేవాడివి. నీకు హ్యాపీ బర్త్‌డే చెప్పడమే కాకుండా ఇది సెకండ్ ఇన్నింగ్స్‌లో తెలుసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, మనం టైమ్ ఈజ్ షార్ట్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్. కాబట్టి ఇంపార్టెంట్ వాటి మీద మనం 80-20 రూల్‌లో లాగా 80% ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్స్ మీద మనం టైము స్పెండ్ చేయాలి. నేము, ఫేము, షో ఆఫ్, ఎస్టాబ్లిషింగ్ ఆ మూమెంట్ అయిపోయింది కదా మనకి. ప్రపంచం నోస్ వాట్ వీ ఆర్. అట్లీస్ట్ వీ నో వాట్ వీ ఆర్. వీ ఫిగర్డ్ అవుట్, రైట్? సో డోంట్ వేస్ట్ ఎనీ టైమ్. Give that time to where it deserves. Be what you are, what you can be. All the best, from my heart. Birthday wishes to you and my namaste to your mom to give such a wonderful person to us.
Happy birthday, Racharan. Despite life being a roller coaster, you are proved to be a great friend, a great family man and a great professional. Congrats రా, ఇట్స్ అ గ్రేట్ అచీవ్మెంట్. ముందు ముందు కూడా సుఖంగా సంతోషంగా ఉండాలని దేవుణ్ణి ప్రార్థిస్తూ ఉంటాను. తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాను. బాయ్.
Hello Charan, very happy to participate in this occasion of your 50th. It's a very landmark birthday because Jeevithanna Pravahaniki, this landmark birthday, it's like a dam that dams all the water, and then there's a lake of so many memories, and it's a collective experience of the world and Ganga Charan and you've touched all of our lives, and you're very friendly, and you go out of the way to meet all your friends, keep in touch, and we had some memorable times at JNTU, and I just wanted to remember all of those instances and wish you a happy birthday. May God bless you and family. Bye, Amma.
Hey Ganga Charan, I wish you a happy and wonderful 50th birthday. Congratulations, cheers, and enjoy the day.
Hi Racharan, how's it going? Happy 50th. Welcome to the dark side, I guess. It's been really amazing to connect with you the last few years. I feel like you're a different person. So I'm hoping to come to Mumbai and hang out with the new you. So hoping that'll happen soon enough. Happy birthday again, and take care.
Hi Racharan, this is P. Joined you. Happy 50th birthday. Many happy returns of the day. It was nice meeting you for the 25th anniversary. I wish you a long, successful, happy life ahead. Bye da.
Hi Ganga Charan, this is Hemant here from JNTU 92 batch of electronics, and here is to wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. I look forward to meeting you soon, either in Mumbai or in Bangalore at one of your favorite eating joints, and having one of our interesting conversations. Have a great day, Charan. Bye.
Hi Ganga Charan, this is Ravi Shankar, and wishing you very happy, great 50th birthday. Basically, you are very smart, intelligent, and tall, which is quite opposite than me. But you are always a very caring, loving friend, and being around is like very joyful, always very joyful. And you are like down to earth personality, man. Keep that joyness for next 50 years, and have a great health, wealth, and abundance of happiness. Keep it up, bro, and have a great birthday.
Hi Ragangacharan, how are you? It's been a long time. I'm very happy to connect with you at this occasion. I can't believe we are turning 50, and I can't forget those JNTU days. They are wonderful days in my life. I'm very, very happy for you. You have very successful life and happy family, and I wish the same for you for next 50 years. Bye. Ram.
Hi Ganga, wish you a very happy 50th birthday anniversary. And I truly admire you for your vast knowledge and discipline towards life, and especially the love and affection that you showed on your mom throughout her life. All the best, and once again, a very happy birthday.
Hi Racharan, congratulations on your big 50. May God bless you with 50 more years of happy, healthy, and prosperous life. You are one of those people who makes everyone around you feel very comfortable and happy. Stay that way, don't change. Stay happy, healthy, and the friendly person I know throughout. Once again, many, many happy returns of the day.
Hey Charan, Duryodhan Raikada. Very happy 50th birthday, buddy. Welcome to the Quinquagenarian decade. And you are the youngest of the bunch, our batch. And the way I can describe Charan is, he is the epitome of kindness, epitome of perfection. He's a true gentleman. He kept up with all his friends. He tries to connect with anybody who comes to India, and try to collect all of them together, group them. And the one thing that comes to my mind is the Bhupinder song, Naam Naam Gum Jayega, Chehra ye badal jayega, Teri awaaz hi pehchan hai. So that is a song that basically describes Charan. It's not necessary. When I say Avaz, it's a metaphor for being a person he is, what he does, and like based on the karma, and that is what he is remembered by. A very humble, very nice person, and he takes pride in everything that he does, and everything his friends do. Happy birthday, buddy. Very wonderful, another 50 years. God bless you, bud.
Hi Charan, happy birthday Ram. Hope you're having a blast. I wish I was there with you to celebrate this special day. Just wanted to talk about you in a few seconds. I know there are a lot of people sending videos about you, and you have a big circle. I don't want to take up a lot of time. We'll talk later. So first thing I noticed about you when you walked into JNTU, or when we both walked into JNTU the first year, you were like oozing with confidence. I mean, I admire that in you a lot. ನೀವು ఎవరితోటనే బాగా ఇంటరాక్ట్ చేయగలవు, like anyone from Pune to the cafeteria worker to all the way to the principal or vice chancellor of JNTU. You can simply walk up to them and talk to them with ease. So, I mean, that's a special quality. I know we didn't start our friendship on the right foot. We used to fight a lot, have a lot of arguments in the first year or so, but it's slowly blossomed into a good friendship in the later years of our engineering. Tarvata, we lost touch. I don't know how, why. Basically, I wish I could have spent more time when you were here in US with you. Have done a little bit different, but anyway, bygone. But luckily, I was able to reconnect with you and rekindle our friendship. So I'm glad, and I wish we can continue this for many, many years to go. Recently, we had some friends and we had some conversation. They were all asking about if you had to describe a person in one word, how would you do that, right? So, నీ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే in one word లో, my opinion, you are a seeker. When I say seeker, you seek knowledge, you seek friendship, you seek a lot of information. I know you an avid reader. So ఎక్కడెక్కడి నుంచో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎక్కడున్నా కూడా యూ విల్ గో dig them out and rekindle or restart the friendship. So that's an amazing quality. Keep it up. And again, happy birthday, Ra. Wish.
Hey Charan, happy birthday, Ra. 50th birthday is very special, I know, and wish you a very, very happy birthday. Please enjoy your special day. నువ్వు మా అందరికీ చాలా ఇన్స్పిరేషన్, ఎందుకంటే యు ఆర్ ది గ్లూ ఫర్ ఆల్ ది బ్రాంచెస్ ఫర్ 88 to 92, and God bless you and wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Charan. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Happy 50th birthday, Charan, and wish you many more returns of the day. And it's great to know you from the JNTU, and it's always fun to talk to you or meet you. So wish you all the best.